Hello everyone. So you have your play seat challenge, and did you know that you can extend your pedals a little bit forward, which this is a very good touch. And also don't forget about this belt. This belt needs to be here to make sure that your pedals are stable. I didn't have any problems. This is very stable. So let me show you how to extend the pedals. This is a very good. So if you are 5'9", uh, I'm 5'9", so I need my pedals to be a little bit forward, in my opinion. If you're 6'2", again, if you're quite long, this is very good. So just undo this part here, these two red things. I don't know how do you call this. And now what you have to do is you just pull from here, and as you can see, this extends quite long, in my opinion. So as you can see, so even if you're 6'2", this is very good. So this is how to extend your pedals. And don't forget to screw this back. Make sure to tidy up this, otherwise the pedals will move up and down. And this is how to do it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.